Hi, so in this video I will be sharing with you exactly how to make $10,000 per month as an affiliate, basically as a person promoting other people's product every single day using internet. So if you stay until the end of this video, I will be also giving you a free PDF on how to find out and how to find profitable niches that you can use to make a killing with affiliate marketing. So let's get straight into it. What is the first step? You see, the first step when you start promoting other people's product is to pick a profitable niche. Now, as you know, there are many niches out there, right? There is a health, relationships, make money online, hobby niches, woodworking, right? There are many niches. So what can happen for you is that you can get overwhelmed, all right? There's so much information out there. So what you have to do is narrow down and understand how to find profitable niche. Now let me give you an example. Over here I have a coffee, right? So this is not a niche, right? This is a product. So product or offer and a niche is totally different thing. You see, let me give you another example. Let's say that you are in the weight loss space, right? So first of all, let's say that you pick a weight loss space as a niche that you want to be in. Now, there are many different offers or weight loss supplements that you could be promoting as an affiliate without ever showing your face, without creating products, right? But another problem or issue that happens that most people are not sharing with you is that you have to niche down, narrow down, right? Who is the audience that you are promoting the weight loss offer to, right? For example, if you have a weight loss pill, you could be marketing that weight loss pill to every single person, female and male, across the world, who are, let's say, 35 years old and older, who are struggling with overweight or diabetes, right? Who are overweight or have diabetes. Now that's one offer, one option. Another option could be, which is much more better, and listen closely, right? Remember, I said there are two options. Another option is, for example, females who are just about to get married. Now they have a big concern, they have a big pain point, which is they have to lose weight for a specific reason. Specific reason being getting married, right? So that they look better, right? So it's another problem that they have. And you, my friend, as an affiliate, you can make great money if you understand what kind of problems people are dealing with, right? So it's not about technology, it's just about understanding your niche, your market. And if you do a 5 minutes or 15 minutes research on Google, and again, if you're watching this video and if you stay until the end of this video, you will receive all these specific step-by-step details on how to find profitable niche, what are the most profitable offers as an affiliate to promote, to make huge commissions, up to 90% per sale, without ever speaking to anyone. You see, one of the best ways that I see to make money online is affiliate marketing, because you don't have to speak to anyone. If you're a shy, introverted person, you don't have to be on video like me right now, right? You could be simply sitting at the comfort of your home, even in your bedroom, right? Using your laptop or PC and create a mini website, which can also be done for you, right? You have mini website, and then you send people from the ad, so for example, Google ad or Facebook ad, straight to your mini website, where the person gets pre-sell on the idea, on the concept, and at the end, they buy the product, right? So we have 3 steps. The first step is create a mini website or landing page. Second step is having a Facebook ad or Google ad, right? And then we have the offer. So those 3 steps. The third step, you get paid, right? So I know that there is lots of information out there that you could be watching or listening to. Important thing is to focus, right? Keep focus on one thing, one niche, one product, and make that profitable. So below this video are going to be links where you can click on and get exact information and step-by-step details on how to start making affiliate marketing profitable for yourself in 2022 and going further. So don't wait, below this video is going to be now for a limited time only PDF that is going to be free on exactly step-by-step methods that me personally and other people are using to find out what offers are profitable, what products to pick, and how to make sure that you are going to make money with this specific step-by-step frameworks. So again, thank you for watching this video, and the more information, it's all below this video. Thank you again.